Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Theta update, and in this video we'll talk about a partnership that was made in the past. There's a couple updates with it, and if you like this type of video content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Okay, getting right into it. Why do we see this? Because on the Theta's Twitter, the most recent tweet is Theta's Wes Levitt joined Ultra Platforms Ultra Chill. It's a podcast with the co-CEO, and they're going to chat about Theta streaming integration in the Ultra app and the importance of cross-chain markets for NFTs and much more. So guys, add this to your calendar. It's going to be Friday, October 1st, and if you're not able to watch it, I will for sure make a video. Just come back to the channel and I will give you all the highlights for it. So this is good, and if you're not familiar with this one, this partnership actually came out last year, and we'll touch on that a little bit. But Ultra Gaming, and it says that truly own your games. It's part of the blockchain once again. So if you own something, you really do own it. Play them, resell them, trade items and NFTs on the marketplace. Elevate your gaming experience like never before with Ultra. So Ultra is pretty awesome. It's kind of like Steam. I'll go to their website. It's like Steam where you can, download your games, but, it's part of the crypto space and the blockchain. So when you do download something, it is truly yours. And one of the things that they have as, part of their space is truly making NFTs just cross-compatible. So if you have an NFT or you have an item in one game, there's a potential to move that item or NFT over to another game. So there's a lot of good potential with Ultra. It's a small cap cryptocurrency, but there is a lot of potential behind it. And here's this announcement. It came out once again September 3rd, 2020. The Ultra and Theta partnership. They're thrilled to announce the partnership. And if you didn't know, Ultra is also a partner with Ubisoft and AMD. These are all older, partnerships, but it's also very important to know that, Ultra, it's a smaller cap, but it does have some pretty big backers. And I'll just read this little paragraph for you. Theta Network and its gaming content will be an integral part of Ultra user experience, allowing users to earn money by streaming live gaming sessions or by watching other people's playing. And guys, just to break off real quick, the streaming of video games has grown exponentially over the past couple of years, and it will continue to rise, and more people just love watching other, especially good players, play games. This is, something that Theta is really honing in on. Ultra's users will have opportunities to earn both T-Fuel and UOS token rewards, and that's the Ultra tokens, for relaying streams they watch, which can be used for purchasing content across the Ultra platform, including games and virtual items. And I think, guys, that this does have potential. Once again, we have to wait a couple of years. It's unfortunate with Theta, but yes, we do have to wait. The snowball is growing larger, and in a couple of years, as more people watch these games, as more people, get paid out in T-Fuel, and more people will start to use that T-Fuel to purchase games. And one thing with the mainnet 3.0, there was the T-Fuel burning, which could potentially make T-Fuel deflationary if it gets to that point. And I think this will have a huge impact on that. Checking out Ultra a little bit more, if we go to CoinMarketCap, we can see they are ranked the 280 token. So once again, a little bit lower on the charts, but that's a-okay. And their market cap right now is 160 million with their token price at 57 cents. And guys, it's okay. This one is something that, we also have to wait a couple years for it to grow if you want to invest in Ultra. And then just checking out some tokenomics for Theta while I got you here. We had another big dip here recently, so we went below this level of support around the $6 mark. So I think we're going to hang out in this channel between $6 and $4. I know no one likes to see it go that low, but until we get some good news, or until we see Bitcoin, unfortunately Theta is tied to Bitcoin, we'll just be hanging out in this channel. And I always do think there's upward pressure. So hopefully, we just have to wait on Bitcoin to continue to climb. But as soon as we get a good amount of volume, so, in order to break below the $6 mark, we had quite a bit of volume to get below and sell pressure to get below that $6 mark. And the opposite will take effect as well. We need quite a bit of volume to go above it. Checking out T-Fuel real quick, it looks very similar. We're going to be in this channel between 25 cents and about 30 cents until we get some news or quite a bit of volume to push us above this level of resistance. And guys, in summary, once again, this is just, the partnership between Ultra and Theta. There is going to be a podcast about, talking about the updates between the two companies and what they can see in the future and the importance of cross-chain markets for NFTs. Once again, mark your calendars for October 1st, and I will see you guys on the next one.